Thank you for joining me on this delicious DIY aloe vera medicine. I'm kidding, it's not delicious. It's very bitter, but it's well worth it. And here I have some honeybees to help me make it. And here are 4 ingredients that we'll be using for our DIY aloe vera medicine. And that is 2 aloe leaves, ginger, 4 limes, and honey. If you like, you can use lemon. That's okay. It works just as good. So now we're going to go ahead and cut the spikes off when it's in one whole piece instead of cutting it off when it's in pieces, because it's a lot easier and quicker to do it at one whole shot. So here I have it still with the spikes on, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it into 4 to 5 pieces and then cut the spikes off. I had forgotten to cut it all at one time. It's a lot easier and less painful. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and grab a spoon and cut it into half and then scrape it off into the blender cup with the spoon. And yes, it is going to be messy and slimy, but it's well worth it because you'll see the results within 1 to 2 days of drinking this medicine. And I would recommend you drinking a shot in the morning and a shot in the evening. And the health benefits of aloe vera are: it has antioxidants, antibacterial properties, it helps treat canker sores, it reduces constipation, as well as it helps with dysentery, diarrhea, piles, and inflammatory conditions of the digestive system, as well as diabetes. It's also believed to fight and cure a range of digestive disorders, including poor digestion, constipation, acidity, and gas. It also is beneficial in boosting appetite and keeping a check on weight gain. Isn't that awesome? And now you can go ahead and peel your ginger and add about 1 tablespoon to 3 tablespoons of it. And the benefits of ginger is that it contains chemicals that are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, as well as antibacterial. It also aids in digestion, reduces nausea, and helps fight the flu and common cold. And now we're going to go ahead and add 4 limes by juicing them first. And at the end, we'll add some of the pulp as well. And the benefits of lime is that it has high amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants, as well as if you eat the lime or drink the juice, it may improve your immunity. And I grew up with this medicine. It's amazing for your cold and flu. It'll help your immune system in no time. And this medicine actually smells pretty good. It smells like lime and ginger. And it is a little bit strong, but you'll enjoy it. And the last ingredient I'll be adding is honey. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of that. And the benefits of honey is that it contains antioxidants, as well as it combats harmful bacteria and calms a sore throat and cough. Now we're going to go ahead and start the blending process and make sure that that aloe is properly blended so that it won't be gel-like consistency anymore, because it's supposed to be slimy and slip off the spoon. Now here you have our aloe vera DIY medicine. As you can see, it was very simple to make, and you'll enjoy it. And please like and share and subscribe as well, and comment please, and let me know how you felt about it. Thank you for watching. Buen provecho.